Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist. Today I would like to take you through a dish that is steamed or stir-fried healthy vegetables with pan-fried fish. And I have chosen salmon for my fish and a combination of colorful vegetables. So I have some broccoli, red onions, I've got some red capsicum. You can also use zucchini and cauliflower, garlic. I'm gonna use some nuts and sesame seeds as well as sesame oil. So this is a fish that will be slightly, will have a slight of an Asian flavor to it. When you are ready to cook your fish, make sure that you heat up the pan to a medium heat and add the butter. Wait for 30 seconds and put your fish skin down. Now you can leave the fish on the pan for 2 to 4 minutes. After the time, lift it with the knife and see if it's easily removable from the pan and flip it on the other side. Now you can, after the fish is cooked, you can add some olive oil, but ideally you want to start with butter or coconut oil. So you start from putting into your hot pan vegetables that are the quickest to cook. So you might be putting your garlic and onions and leave it for a couple of minutes till it browns up, and then adding the rest of the vegetables. If you cut your vegetables in smaller pieces, it will cut on a cooking time. There you go, stir-fried veggies. They might have taken no more than 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes in a wok. Now the fish is perfectly cooked, it's got a crispy skin. There you go. Voila! So that's a good serving of protein. Ideally you want to have a palm size of protein per meal. And this is to cover your nutritional needs, specifically for protein. And about cup to 2 cups of carbohydrates with it. So we do have about a cup and a half of vegetables in here. That dish is a perfect choice for lunch or dinner. I'd probably say it's more of a dinner dish. It's extremely healthy for you. It's got good fats. Obviously, we did cook with the butter on the beginning. That was for a reason. However, we did finish it off with a bit of a extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of sesame seed oil just to add extra flavor. Now this is ready, so I'm going to enjoy it and I hope you can replicate it at home. Thank you so much.